are you doing today? I'm calling to confirm your appointment with Fluidify System, which is currently scheduled for tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Can you please confirm if this time still works for you?
Yeah, it works for me.
Great, I'm glad to hear that. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss or confirm before tomorrow's appointment, or is everything all set?
Everything's all set. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day, and we'll see you tomorrow at 9:30 a.m.
Done. So guys, as you saw that I was interacting with a call just previously, and that was not a normal person. It was an AI agent. It was artificial intelligence which was being incorporated into calls, and this can be automated on easily on make.com, and we can do it for you as well. So the whole process is quite simple. A lot of people nowadays, the industry norm is that people are using IVR calls to interact with their customer database. It may be follow-up calls, it may be normal cold calls, and the artificial intelligence basically understands the language and give them the appropriate answers according to the prompts, which you put with the AI itself. So what we're doing is that we have created a Google Sheet which just have a sample example of it, which just have a small example of it, and then there's Bland AI. Just giving you a brief overview of what Bland is. Bland is basically AI phone calls, and it kind of automates your phone calls with AI. So it's just a website here, and then what we did is that we integrated Google Sheets with Bland. As you can see, I've opened Bland. I've created my account here. I have set up a whole payload stuff, which will trigger the API. Here's the payload, and everything's set up already. We're just gonna pick up two things only, which is gonna be the task and the phone number. So going back to the Google Sheet. Here's a sample. A phone number is already put in here. An instruction for the AI to talk about. Like this is you're an appointment scheduler, and the AI will converse according to its own way. So what I did is just went into Google Sheets and put up the sheet name, choose the columns which I have to use. Then the HTTP is basically the website of Bland. As you can see, there's a API call here. We can definitely call it out from here as there is an API call in the payload, which is this. And then we need to choose a value. Value is basically an API key which Bland generates for every call or any process. We just have to do it once, and it's gonna be automating for every call, automating itself for every call. So the request content is here, as I told you before that we're gonna use the phone number and the task only, and this is how we created this automation. And if you need our help in creating this sort of automation or any sort of automation, we're here. You just send me a DM my way, and I'll make sure that it's done. Thank you so much.